I had a lady the other day, she came in debt. What happened was she had a corporation that was operating and doing construction and renovations. She bought a property that needed some renovations, and she got herself into a little bit of situation. She put a lot of money into the property, which she wasn't able to pay back. So she came in all stressed and, I'm going to lose my house. What am I going to do? What are my options? So I calmed her down and went over this situation and looked at her debts. And we kind of, said that it's don't worry about too much about what's going on. There are solutions. So she's working and she's a full-time accountant. Looking at her situation in her budget, I found that it's probably a better situation to do a proposal to try and see if we can save the house. She's got children living in the house, so we didn't want the bank to sell the house. So she's able to get back on track, save the house. It makes me feel great, like just helping people knowing that, okay, I solved that problem.